Introduction to Saramoly machine. Today we are going to introduce you to Chassis Abnormal Sound Detection Machine, a one-stop solution for your car abnormal sound. In reality, the chassis is the part of the car that supports the whole vehicle and connects the wheels to the body. Every time the car moves, the suspension, brakes, and mounting points are constantly working and taking impact from bumps, potholes, and uneven roads. After a long time, these parts start to wear out, which can lead to knocking sounds, rattling, vibration, or the car feeling unstable when driving. If these issues are not detected early, they don't just reduce comfort, they can also become a serious safety risk. For many workshop foremen, diagnosing chassis noise and vibration problems can be one of the most troublesome jobs. Without the right testing equipment, mechanics have to rely on experience, road testing, and trial and error to identify the source of abnormal sounds. This not only slows down repair time but also increases the risk of misdiagnosis, especially when chassis components only make noise under real driving load conditions. This is where the Chassis Abnormal Sound Detection Machine becomes a powerful assistant for automotive workshops. Unlike traditional inspection methods where the vehicle is simply lifted on a 2-post or 4-post hoist, this machine uses road simulation technology to recreate real driving conditions while the vehicle remains safely fixed in place. The system applies controlled push-pull and vertical forces to the wheels and suspension, allowing mechanics to clearly detect early wear and hidden looseness in chassis components such as multi-link suspension bushings, stabilizer links, mounting brackets, and shock absorber seats, faults that are often missed during normal static inspections. Traditional detection methods have limitations. When the vehicle is lifted, the suspension becomes fully extended and no longer sits in its natural working position, making it difficult to identify noise or looseness that only occurs under real driving load. Mechanics are forced to guess, manually shake parts, or perform road tests, which still may not reveal the problem accurately. In contrast, the Chassis Abnormal Sound Detection Machine simulates real-world driving stress in a controlled environment, making diagnosis faster, safer, and far more accurate.